What's up guys, this is Electro. Today we are going to unbox a RC car. Look this. We have the specification of this RC car. It need 4 cell in car and 3 cell in remote control. And now we are going to unbox it. Look this. This is the standard system of remote control. We can rotate the steering. It is looking so standard. Now we are putting our battery cell in this. This is a rechargeable battery. And guys, one thing I have to include it. It has the feature to attach in something like this. This good. It is very good for the special ride. Now we'll start riding for the first time. Here is the power button of remote, and here is we have to on this. Now let's move to our trial.